Hello everyone. In your last classes, we started series completion chapter and there we completed up to 15 questions that were based on letters, alphabets. So now we will start our next question, that is 16th question, and that is based on numbers. So let us see our first question, today's first question. So how these numbers are look like? Is there any idea what will next number will come? Okay, let us see. So see this 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So these all numbers are getting any ideas? So see children, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Your next number will be 36. So how 36? See here. 1 is 1 square and 4 means 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, and it should be 6 square. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and 6 square is 36. And see this number, second question. So is there any idea? So for these kind of questions, you have to first know all the square numbers up to 25, cube numbers up to 15, and all the prime numbers, composite numbers, and all you have to know first. So see, 3, 7, 13, 19. So these all are prime numbers. These all are prime numbers. So our prime number starts from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 9 is not a prime number. 11, 13, 15 is not a prime number. 17, 19, 21 is not a prime number. 23, 25, 27 is not a prime number. 29 and so on. These all are our prime numbers. So now see how that series is arranged. So they not taken first directly taken 3, and then it is not 5 and not 11, 17, 23. So they are taking alternate numbers. So leaving one number and moving to the next number, next prime numbers. So 3, 5 is not there, 7, 11 is not there, 13, 17 is not there, 19, and then we should not take 23, it should be 29. So prime numbers leaving one place inside. And then coming to our third question, these all are prime numbers, alternate prime numbers. Prime numbers. And then what about this? So children, always you have to see first is difference between two numbers. So most of the questions you will get in differences. So difference of these two, 6 minus 1, it is 5, and difference of these two, 13 minus 6, it is 7, 22 minus 13, it is 9, and 33 minus 22, 11, and next number should be 13 because difference between these two numbers is 2. 2, 2, 2 and 2. It should be 2. So next number will be 13. So now 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 11, 33, now 33 plus 13, it should be 46. Our answer is 46. Including patterns you have to write. And then coming to next, again first we will see the pattern of differences. 16 minus 5, 11. 49 minus 16, 49 minus 16, it is 33. And 104 minus 49, 55. And which number should come here in differences? So see here, 11 3s are 33. It means 11 into 3, 33. And this 11 into 5, 55. And now it should be 11 into 7. Understand? Difference of these three numbers, 3, 5, 7 is two differences. So it should be 77. 77 plus 104, 104 and 77, 181. 181 is your answer. So now coming to our fifth question. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So initially we will start with difference. 1, 2. Difference is 1. So 3 minus 2 also difference 1. And 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3 difference is 2. And here 3. So are you getting any common difference between these numbers? Any common pattern? So see, one more time. 1 minus 1, 0. Here it will be 1. Again it will be 1. So is it any proper pattern? No. For this question, we can't take differences. So if difference is not getting, then we have to go for multiplication. See, 1 into 2, 2, and then 2 into 2 is 4, but it is not given 4 here, it is 3. So multiplication also we can't do. Then division also not possible. Then see here, 1 plus 2, it is 3. These two number, addition of these two number, it is 3. Then addition of these two number, it will be 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. And then 5 plus 8 is 13. It should be, your answer is 13. It means 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Then this 2 plus 3 equal to 5, our next number. And then 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Then 5 plus 8 equal to 13. So we have to add our previous number to get next number. Next, we coming to 21st question. That is 6th question. Today's 6th question. So see what number we are getting here. So again we will first start with difference. 3. Here it is 12. And what is the difference between these two? 54. So we are not getting any proper idea by difference, by taking difference. So we will go to multiplication. So it is 3 2s are 3 into 2 6, and then 6 3s are 18, and then it should be 4. 2 3 means it should be 4 or 5. 4 because if we multiply 4, it should be in proper order, 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that. If we taken 5, it means those are prime numbers. There are two possible here. So 18 4s are how much? 32 72. It will be 72. If we taken 5 means 49 90, but the given number, next number is 72. So multiply 4, and here it should be 5. 360. 360 is our answer for this question. And what about this question? 2, 1, 2, 6, 24. So it is also based on multiplication. So 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24, 24 into 5, 24 into 5 is 120. So 120 is your answer based on multiplication. These two are based on multiplication. And then coming to this number, so it is little bit different number, different series. So see here children, we should take the alternate numbers 2, 3, 4. If the number is given, it should be 5 here. Now, so what about this? So 19 2s are 38. 38 3s are 114 and 114 4s are here into 2 into 3 and then into 4, 16 5 4, 4 5 6. Your answer is 4 5 6. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry 6 will take here. And 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, 4 1s are 4. So our answer is 4 5 6. And then moving to this question. So see what type of question this is. This is also based on multiplication, but see here 6 2s are 12. Plus 1 into 2 plus 1. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. Next into 2. 13 2s are 26 plus 2. And then into 2 plus 3 it should be. 28 2s are how much? 56. 56 plus 3 59. 56 plus 3 59. And then next question, 3 12 20, 27 48 75 108. So this question is also based on multiplication, but it is slightly different question. See here children, 3 into 4 it is 12. So if we multiply this 12 to some other number, we will not get 27. So 3 into 9 it is 27. So next 3 into 16. 3 into 16 means 48. And then 3 into 25. It will be 75. Next 3 into 36, it should be 108. And then 3 into 49. What is 3 into 49? 147. Your answer will be 147. So why I have taken 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49? So these all are consecutive square numbers. Consecutive square numbers. Here 3 into 1 equal to 3. First term. 3 into 1. 1 is a square number. 1 square 1. 2 square 12. 9. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. 6 square 36. And 7 square 49. So this is all about these 10 questions. To our 26th question. So here, this is a mixture of alphabet and numbers. So in your first classes, you studied about alphabet series, and now in your before numbers you studied only on numbers, and now mixture of alphabet and a number. See, first we will see numbers. So 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. So now it should be plus 10. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Now coming to our letters B, C, D, it should be E, one letter forward. And then coming to our this letter, so D, I, D is 4, I is 9, P is 16. Are you getting anything here? Yes, these are the square numbers. So square number, next square number is 25. So which is our 25th letter? That is Y. 25th letter is Y. These are square numbers. Square numbers. Square numbers. And then coming to this question. A to D plus 3 and D to here we don't know, and next here we don't know. So we can do plus 3 also here. If D is 4, D plus 4 means 7. 7 means 7th letter is G. 7th letter is G. And then G means 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10th letter is J. Next. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Then next, these letters. These letters. E. E is 5, 5th letter. H means H is 8th letter. And then we don't know here. And N. N is 14th letter. So here also plus 3 means 11, plus 3 means 14. Yes, it should be 11. 11th letter is K. 11th letter is K. And then moving to next question. Z, V, T. So what is the difference between these two? V and T. V is 22, T is 20, means minus 2 we can write. And here 22 minus 2 is this letter. Here minus 2 means 24. Which is our 24th letter? It is X. 24 minus plus 2 means Z minus 2 X. X minus 2 V. V minus 2 T. Now second letter. So what is our second letter here? M P. It should be plus. So M. N O P plus P. So G is 10. Sorry, G is 7. 7th letter. 7 plus 3 means it is J. 10th letter is J. Then J plus 3, 13. 13th letter is M. Yes. Now coming to the numbers. 13, 17, 19. Difference between these two is plus 2. 17 plus 2. So 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. This is our pattern. Now coming to these two questions. So F is 6, G is 7 plus 1. Then I plus 2. Plus 2 means I plus 3 means L. Here L plus 4. L plus 4 means L is our 12th letter, plus 4 means 16. 16th letter is P. And then coming to the numbers, 3 plus 3 means 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. Now it should be 18 plus 9, 27. This is our pattern for this question. And then coming to our last question. So see our first letters. C is 3, F is 6, it means plus 3, F 6 and I 9 plus 3, I is 9, then it should be plus 3, I 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12th letter is L. And then see here, 4, 9, 16, these all are square numbers. So square number means next square number is 25. 25 is our next square number. And then X, U are, so it is decreasing. So X is 24, U is 21, it means minus 3, U is 21, R is 18, minus 3 and it should be minus 3. R 18, 18 minus 3 is 15, 15th letter is O. 15th letter is O. So this is all about these 5 questions, and I wind up this chapter here. It is actually, series is a very vast chapter, and you have to do by downloading it from net and start practicing. If you are not getting, then please post in your WhatsApp group. I will answer it. Thank you.